Good morning, you guys. Why my lips look so red? Anyway, it's your girl Vaughn. Welcome back to another weekly vlog. Right now we are starting in the car because we are on route. It is Monday morning and I'm here with Caitlin.
Hey.
And we just stopped into Full Bloom. This is the first time I've ever been there. The other day on my Instagram stories, you would have seen if you follow me on Instagram, I attempted to make a dirty chai for the first time. I see Octavia making it all the time, so I was just like, let me try. It was okay. It was a bit watery. So my friend Maria decided, she messaged me in response to that, and I was like, yo, no, because she works at Full Bloom, so she told me to come and she'll make one for me, and so I came, and it tastes good. So it's good. And Caitlin got a matcha, first time for her as well. Then we got a few potato pies and a slice of banana bread because, as I said, we are on route. So this business on Instagram, they messaged me saying that they like my TikTok videos and would love for me to come to do a pedicure, and I've actually been needing a pedicure, so I said okay. So we are on route to St. Joseph, I believe, to Pretty Skin by Putes to get a pedicure done. So see ya. Okay, so we got to where we were going. It's in Lynch Plaza in St. Joseph, but Google Maps told me to get here for 10:50. I needed to leave home at 10 o'clock, and it's 10:35 right now, so we're sitting down for half an hour. What the hell is this? Why is there water in my car? There's none on this side though. I mean, my car is dirty, but like, I am confused. Anyway, we just got done with our pedicures. Well, my pedicure and her massage and soca massage. And it was great. So I posted a TikTok video about it, so you guys will see that, or would have seen it. But now we're gonna head back to town in the river. It's just moving. I don't even know what to do. Where I want to go. I don't even know if I used to get my car cleaned often, I don't know where to go. But I don't. Oh my gosh. I want to scoop it out, but like it's raining.
This plastic contains really good.
I'm just touch it. It's just moving. Oh, I know. I'll just go buy Reptec. That's what I'll do. So I made it to the mechanic. They have like an auto spa here too. So right now they are hot water extracting the water from my car. What the hell? At least my tools look nice. Okay, so they extracted everything from my car. The ground still feels a little damp, but they gave me this. Well, I had to paper it actually. So it's a air refresher thing. It's like a air bomb, they call it. So I have to take the mats out and leave the car on with the AC running while this does what it do, and then once that's done, we take the car off, crack the windows, and leave it overnight. So this is supposed to help the smell, because of course there was water in my car. We all know what a wet car smells like. Here by my parents, so you know the dogs is making noise. So this is what the thing looks like, and I think I have to press the back here and it just does what it do. With the air refresher nozzle facing away from you. I hope that's this way. Yeah. Yeah, it is. Place in the center of car, typically on the floor between the front and back seat. So put it on. Okay, let's go. The car AC is on. Water. Put it in there. Doing what it does. Wednesday afternoon and I just got back home. Just got back home from work. It's quite rainy outside, so I made myself a grilled cheese and a little cup of hot cocoa, well, a mocha really, because it's got a little bit of coffee in it. But yeah, I just feel like checking in with you guys. I'm not gonna be doing much for the afternoon. For the evening, we're supposed to be going to Soundforge later for We Love Wednesdays. Today will be the last one for the season, so should be checking that out. Other than that, it's just gonna be me at home wrapping up some work, and then also what else I don't know, editing like videos and stuff and posting on social media things. Update with the car. It spent the night Monday night, and it spent the night Monday night by my parents, and I picked it up last night because I had to go to work today. There's not much of a smell, but there is a smell, but it's not like horrible. And because it's raining, like I kind of want to carry my car back by my parents because I won't be leaving home. I don't have anything to leave home for tomorrow and Friday. So I feel like I kind of want to carry it back with them so it could stay under the garage shed with the windows down to continue to air out, because here there's no covered space for that and it's just been raining, so I can't even chance it like to leave the windows open. But that's the update for right now. I guess I'll check you guys when I have something else to say or show you. Alright guys, so it is 9:30 and we are just leaving home to go to We Love. You guys can't fit in my bag, so I'm gonna try to catch some content on my phone. Zakia, Dara and Selena all gonna be there tonight, so yeah, we're gonna have a cool time hopefully. Let me show you what I'm wearing really quickly. So I have on this basic black dress that goes to about there, and then I have on this shirt over it. This is my daddy shirt actually. And then I have my Aldo. Don't say jersey mirror, but I have my Oval's mirror to jersey. My Aldo bag that I've decided to wear as a crossbody today. And honestly, I'm just gonna wear some slippers. Black slippers, called George. We are headed to Wing It first. You guys know that's my favorite spot for wings, so we'll go in there first because I'm just hungry. Thursday morning, happy Thursday. I'm currently in the process of making pancakes. I didn't know what I wanted for breakfast. And I have leftover wings from last night, so I was gonna make like chicken and waffles, but make it chicken and pancakes. So I got a random recipe from online. It's kind of watery though, well liquidy, but this is how it turned out. Tastes really good though. And I put cinnamon and nutmeg in it, so it's like, so I can't wait to eat this.
Why are you crying? Like, what's happening,
Guys? So it is Friday. Happy Friday! It's the weekend, and I had a lovely like self-care type of morning this morning. Last night I really wanted to like bathe and do my exfoliating and like my skincare and stuff, but I literally lay down in bed for a few minutes and then fell asleep. I just suddenly felt so tired, it was not meant. So this morning I got up and I spent some time on my phone, but then when I finally got up, I cleansed my skin. I used my face cleanser. I did an exfoliation. I also used the Garnier Canopy mask. I combed out my hair, moisturized and cleaned my hair. I haven't done this hairstyle in so long. Like, I tried to do a braid, like the 2 braids, but I haven't done that in such a long time. Like, my hands are not cooperating. So I just did these twists. And I did all of that, and then I also scrubbed my body this morning before and during my shower. Brush my teeth, and here we are. Plus, yeah, the day started, and it's not even 9 o'clock yet. It's 10 minutes to 9. I literally spent about an hour in the bathroom. Today I'm working from home again, as well as I have some things I want to film and edit for social media. A while ago, actually, this was when I was sick just after Sunset Weekend. AP Scott, well, sometime before that, actually, AP Scott had put up this survey thing if you wanted to like create content or whatever. I can't remember exactly what it was. I can't remember exactly what the words were on the survey thing, but I filled it out, and so during the week when I was sick, they delivered it. So, I didn't tell you. So the point was to, if you wanted to like receive product or whatever, and they had the different brands. They had Miel, Camille Rose, I think Tulia Orchard, ORS, I think. So I selected for Camille Rose and Miel because I've used like 2 Camille Rose products, and I think there are others that I do want to try. And the only Miel product that I think I've used is the moisturizer, the leave-in milk moisturizer, I can't remember what it's called, as well as the pre-shampoo treatment thing, which was really expensive compared to the size of the tube. But they had products that I wanted to try, so I actually got 2 boxes. So this is the first one. And we have the second one, and I was very surprised that I got 2 because I was really just only expecting 1. So today I'm going to be filming the unboxing for it for Instagram and YouTube, but I'm going to show you guys really quickly what is in here. So we have the moisturizing and anti-breakage shampoo, as well as the conditioner to go with it, and the moisturizing leave-in conditioner, and the moisturizing hair butter. Yeah, I packaged up this box, but that's all that is in here. So, and it came with this, all of this book and book. It's looking like Rashida. Wow. Okay. All this information. Wow. I can't believe they have this whole book. This is the line I might want to try. Where's my mint? Moisture RX. We love moisture. Number one for I think they number one for promoting hair growth. Okay. Let's see what else. Number one for gaining strength. La di da di da. And this is the rice water line. And what else do we have? What's this? What's this? Who knew? Oh, and then they have their skincare. So it comes with, they have a serum, face mask, lotion, SPF 15 or something. Honey 2-in-1 face scrub and cleanser, stretch mark cream, eye gel drops. And speaking of skincare, that's exactly what's in the second box. So they gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the products. So the first one is the same stretch mark cream. I think I do have stretch marks. They don't really bother me, but I mean, if they have a product to try, why not try it? I already have it. It's not like if I went out to find it. Then the next thing is the 2-in-1 face scrub and cleanser. Then we have the revitalizing face serum, except this looks kind of weird to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like the packaging seems kind of suspect. Like, come out. I like the dropper though, but like, is it that I don't need that much? And it's coming out. It's coming out. The dropper is coming out. It's not even moving. Help. I didn't even know what to do with that. Sounds pretty lightweight though. Not like oily or anything. Facial serum contains vitamins, amino acids, minerals from seaweed designed to provide moisture, improve skin's elasticity while reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Pomegranate and honey are combined to support skin's collagen and moisture balance. Okay. So there's that. What else did I show you? Those two things. Then we have the hydrating face mask that comes. Oh, okay. The box is coming apart. This doesn't make me feel very excited because why is the box coming apart like that? It's black. It's black. Or it comes with a scoop thing. And that's how it looks. Okay. And then the last thing is the under eye vitamin. The vitamin C under eye gel drops. And that's how that looks. So yeah, so that's all the things I got. But I'm gonna do the unboxing for the hair stuff this week. This moisturizing thing was a surprise. This skincare thing was a surprise. I really wasn't expecting this. I didn't even know how to I don't know how to use these things right now. So if you guys have any tips or suggestions of ways you might want to see me incorporate this, but really and truly for short form content, so like for Instagram and TikTok, because that's what they want us to do. then please let me know. But for right now, I think I'm gonna record this one time and get it out of the way while my toothpaste taste fades, so then I eat my doubles for breakfast and then get on with the rest of my day.
What you wanna be, Shawty hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah. I'll be patient for you. I've been praying for you to come on with me, yeah. I'ma bring you back, Shawty, yeah, you'll see, yeah. You way down, Shawty, way back when, yeah. We was lighting up, we was more than friends, yeah. Now you done, you don't even pretend. You got a little love, but the rest is spent. Shawty, hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah. And I made it see us, ooh, que me querías, yeah, yeah. Pero ahora ni me miras, no, no, ahora ni me miras, no, no, no. Shawty, pienso en ti todo el día, en cómo me mirabas, en cómo te lo hacía. Nena, dime la verdad, si ese amor que tenías sigue ahí adentro, soy de despedida. Hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah.
Oh yeah, it ain't about one night with me. Yeah, I know I'm faded, I'm up, but I with me. And I know I struggle with commitment, but I don't need them hoes, I just need a little dick. I like the movies, you just wanna drown, dress you up in jewelry, yeah. Wake up and think about you in the morning. Babe, what you need, let me know in the morning. Maybe if we could just go to the islands and find us some solace. You know what the time is, I said that I got you, I do. Girl, if I drown, you gon' drown with me too, yeah, yeah. If you got problems, then I got problems. If you got problems, then I got a solve. I'm gon' be there for you. I'm gon' be there for you.
Shawty, hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah.
Here's a muddy. Yeah, I have it.
Shawty, hold me down, yeah, when she not here.
I have it.
Oh,
Hey,
baby,
careful,
I'm
like
drowning when
me.
you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me
Maybe
and I'm
video look
looking in
good.
the past, yeah.
No, I was in the video.
I'ma bring you back, Shawty, yeah, you see, yeah. You was down, Shawty, way back when, yeah. We was lighting up, we was more than friends, yeah. Now you done, you don't even pretend. You got a little love, but the rest is spent. Shawty, hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah. And I made it see us, ooh, que me querías, yeah, yeah. Pero ahora ni me miras, no, no, ahora ni me miras, no, no, no. Shawty, pienso en ti todo el día, en cómo me mirabas, en cómo te lo hacía. Nena, dime la verdad, si ese amor que tenías sigue ahí adentro, soy de despedida. Hold me down, yeah, when she not here. Oh baby, I'm drowning when you not here. Shawty, it was you and me this time last year. Now it's just me and I'm looking in the past, yeah.
Oh yeah, it ain't about one night with me. Yeah, I know I'm faded, I'm up, but I with me. And I know I struggle with commitment, but I don't need them hoes, I just need a little dick. I like the movies, you just wanna drown, dress you up in jewelry, yeah. Wake up and think about you in the morning. Babe, what you need, let me know in the morning. Maybe if we could just go to the islands and find us some solace. You know what the time is, I said that I got you, I do. Girl, if I drown, you gon' drown with me.
Good morning, happy Saturday. I feel like these past few days I've not been doing a very good job at like actually vlogging. I have been getting footage on my phone though, so either you would have seen that already or I'm gonna throw it in here. But yesterday afternoon, Rita and I went bike riding with, I think their name is Bike TT. I will link it down below if you are interested. We met Darian and Johnny, and they were both pleasant and patient guys. Yeah, that was the first time I rode a bike in so very long. Like, I can't tell you the last time I rode a bike that wasn't a spin bike, and even then I can't tell you the last time I rode a spin bike. But it was good. it was really nice to get out of the house and do something active and like in nature. And you know, I did it. So I would have put that footage in the video, and then we ended up going to Samurai after. Literally sweaty down and dirty. We had their smashers, which tasted really good. Like, if it wasn't $125, I would have gotten it again today, but it was good. I really enjoyed it. And then we continued the lime and ended up liming by one of Michael's friends' house for two of their friends' birthday. And what I don't understand is how the limes now, how is the lime starting at 1 o'clock in the AM? How? This is what you guys are doing? Because I can't be bothered, you know. I can't do it. Anyway, I'm finally up right now. It's about 9:52, and I just made myself some simple breakfast. Listen, I have to wash dishes, so this is how it's gonna be for the while, and some tea, and I'm just gonna watch Manifest and do what I want to do today. I started doing my nails yesterday while I removed what I had on, and I got some new nail tips to try. This is from a brand called 50 Shades. It's local, but you know, of course she would have sourced the things from somewhere. So I'm gonna do that, as well as I have videos and stuff to edit, and I have to play off my phone again. So that's what I plan on doing today while watching Manifest all day. You guys know I would have been talking about my nail journey, so I'm actually doing a nail course. It's going to be 6 weeks long. So today is the first day of that. It starts at 9 and it's currently, like I said, 8:33. So it's in Woodbrook, so it's probably going to really truly take me like 20 minutes to get there, so much. So I'm actually running on time. The only thing that will keep me back right now is my hair. We have to wear all black, so right now I literally have on one of my scrub tops. Like, I feel like I'm going to work. I just have to find these black shoes. But yeah, I'm kind of excited, kind of nervous about it. Like I said, 6 weeks long, so each day is gonna be from 9 to 1 on the weekends. There's no like timetable, so maybe we'll get that today when we go. I'm not gonna make like a whole vlog about it, because honestly only you guys will know that as of right now. You guys and my closer friends will be the only persons who know about it, and I'm probably not gonna mention it on social media until it's actually done. And I'm probably only gonna mention it on my TikTok, my nail TikTok, and do like a one-shot video, because again, I don't know how it's gonna be. Of course, I don't think they can really reprimand us for like documenting our progress. Like, that's part of the journey. I should have just taken a lip balm from inside the room. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing with my hair. I also need to wash it, but I also like don't want to. I know it feels horrible. Look at this. Ew. Okay, so I am ready. Hair is in a bun. I threw on a little mascara. So let's go. It's 8:44, so I'm 5 minutes late. But hey guys, so I've been home for quite a while. It's 6:51, 7 o'clock, and I literally have not changed because I've just been trying to finish edit this video for the longest while. But it's finally going up, so praise God. So today was my first day. Yeah, that's fine. My first day of class, and I was so excited about it. I was kind of nervous. I got there late, but by the time I got there, the people who were running the classes weren't even there, so praise God. So we got started, and our instructor gave us each this box. There's only three of us in the class, in the nail class. So in it came with these things. So she gave us some supplies to start with, so like some nail tips. I think this is acrylic powder, some whatever you want to call this, cuticle nippers, some more gems and stuff, acrylic brush, more gemmy, more sequin things, a dropper, I don't know what that's for, this brush, a buffer. This keeps on jumping around, please. This some builder gel, a dapping dish, a nail file, this tree, a clipper thing, primer. I think this is monomer. Then there's a nail glue in here and a practice finger. So we practiced. We did polygel today. I've actually never done polygel. I've never like bought it or even tried it out. So today is my first day trying polygel. So we did the first nail. So this is how my nail came out. Hold on. This is how my nail came out. Of course I did it on the practice finger. So this is my first attempt. I guess I'll insert pictures because it'll be easier to see. So that was my first attempt, and it really wasn't that bad. Like, it actually made me kind of excited. And then she made us try it again. So this was my second attempt. It's kind of bulky, this one. But I liked how the thickness down by the cuticle a little bit more. But yeah, this one's kind of bulky. But it's still pretty, and like the color itself is really nice. So we did that. So I know how to do that now. Yeah. Anyway, so we have to practice, obviously. But like I said, I don't have polygel, so I might have to go to Brand Source this week. Because they have some nail supplies. So hopefully they have polygel, because other places that I know sell polygel don't have any right now. Like Premier Nail and Salon Supplies, they sold out of their polygel, and Shop the Nail Vault has. So I'll probably check there, but I really want to like try to get like tomorrow. Anyway, that's it for this really. Excited again, as I told you, about this and this journey. So 1 day down, 5 more weeks to go, and yeah. But I think that's it for this, but I don't think that's it. This is it for this vlog. I'm gonna wrap it up here. Sunday evening, I'm finally uploading this vlog, and then I'm gonna just have a little bit of like self-care. I'm gonna do my exfoliation on my face, on my body. My period came today, so I'm not washing my hair. Like, I hate the in and out of, because of the shower. I hate the in and out of the shower with my period, so I actually made an appointment to go back like tomorrow. I think that's literally luxury. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do that, and I think plan out the rest of my week in terms of like content and editing stuff, because I planned it out last week and I really did not follow it at all. So I'm gonna try better this week. Yeah, I think that's pretty much it. So thanks so much for watching, you guys. Can't wait to see you, Simone. I can't wait to see you in next week's video. Thanks so much for watching.